This is what it looks like when students from different schools come together to build on the leaders they already are.
Right now, Joe O'Reilly is facilitating a workshop that shows how challenges can turn into aspiration for future leadership. Let's go check it out.
The workshop's about the leadership impact that the students want to have. And the skills that we share in the workshop are what can you do with your physicality, with your voice, and with your content to make sure that you've got a leadership impact.
This workshop is run by university ambassadors. They're learning their leadership strengths and how they can use it to create impact in their schools and communities. Let's have a look.
The students have been thinking about leadership attributes, and what they're doing right now is they're combating a challenge statement. And they're creating a visual artwork which is reflective of how they say, no, this is false, and we're positively reframing this statement.
Wow, that's really cool. Let's go and grab some students and ask them how their day is going so far.
It's going pretty good. We did a lot of new activities. We learned how to communicate our ideas to people without seeming nervous at times.
My day has been absolutely amazing. I learned that I can communicate with more people from different schools, and it helps build my confidence.
That was really great hearing from the students throughout the day on what they've learned in the workshops, but now they're going to come together and reflect on the things they've learned with the new friends they've made.
I want everyone to close their eyes. And this is your prompt that I want you to think about. Who am I and what is the impact that I want to have?
Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim, and the impact I want to have is an impact in which everyone grows from it and becomes a better person.
Perfect.